In this video I am going to show how to do a firmware update for the SST4 using the WatchGas mobile application. Make sure you have the freely available WatchGas Device Link application installed on your phone from the App Store. Enter the menu in the application and use the password service to enter. Go to the section Firmware Update. Then tap the correct unit model. In this case the SST4 Micro. Choose the latest version available in the list. The application will automatically download the latest available firmwares as long as your phone is connected with internet. Once selected, you can now view the change list for the new firmware version. Before we can load the firmware into the unit, the NFC connection must first be activated. To do this, press the button on the unit for 2 seconds. A beep will be heard and you will see the NFC icon appear at the top right of the screen. NFC stands for Near Field Communication. The unit is now ready to receive the firmware. Tap the red update bar in the app. Then hold your phone to the backside of the unit. Once they will have connection, the firmware will start loading. This will take several minutes. Wait until the progress bar reaches 100%. Once the firmware update is completed successfully, a pop-up should appear confirming the success of the update. Now restart the unit. After switching off and restarting the unit, the startup screen should display the firmware version currently installed in the unit. After a successful firmware update, it's important to perform a bump check to verify that the unit is functioning properly before use. This helps ensure that all sensors and components are working as expected. If the bump check reveals any issues, you might need to troubleshoot or recalibrate the device.